Today, we're going to make a beautiful pipe cleaner plum blossom branch. After the materials list, let's begin. We'll need a pen with a diameter of about 1 centimeter for this step. First, fold 3 artificial yellow stamens in half and twist the ends together. Set them aside for later. Now take a red pipe cleaner and wrap it around the pen 5 times. Slide the loops together. Place the stamens around the outside of the loops and twist the pipe cleaner once to secure everything. Remove it from the pen. Using the longer end of the pipe cleaner, pass it through the center of the loops and pull it tight. Twist the 2 ends together to secure. Now let's shape the petals. Pinch the base of each loop gently and twist each petal halfway so it lies flat. Repeat the same to all 5 petals. Fold the remaining pipe cleaner downward to form the flower stem. Spread all the petals evenly and curve them slightly upward for a natural look. Open up the stamens in the center. Next, take some brown floral tape. Gently stretch it first to activate the adhesive, then wrap the flower stem neatly. 1 blossom is now complete. We'll make 4 blossoms in total. Now let's make the larger buds. Cut 1 red pipe cleaner in half. Bend the pipe cleaner at about 2 centimeters. Then measure around 1.5 centimeters and twist twice to form a petal. Repeat the same step to create 3 petals in total. Fold 2 stamens in half and place them in the center. Hold everything together and twist the pipe cleaner tightly to secure. Fold down the remaining wire and spread the petals evenly. Curve them upward slightly to create a half-open blossom shape. Wrap the stem with floral tape. We'll make 2 of these larger buds. Next, let's make the smaller flower buds. Cut 1 red pipe cleaner into 4 pieces. 2 pieces will become flower buds, and the other 2 will be used later for small branches. For each bud, bend the tip at about 1.5 centimeters and leave around 1 centimeter at the top. Then wrap floral tape around the stem. Adjust the shape slightly and the small bud is finished. We'll make 2 small buds. Now let's create the small branch tips. Cut the remaining half pipe cleaner into 2 pieces. Wrap each piece completely with floral tape and pinch the tip into a point. We'll make 2 small branches. Now it's time to assemble everything together. Take 1 full-length red pipe cleaner and some brown floral tape. Start wrapping the tape about 3 centimeters from the top. Shape the top into a pointed branch tip and continue wrapping. At about 4 centimeters, attach 1 small branch. About 1 centimeter lower, attach a small bud. Another centimeter lower, attach 1 larger bud. Continue adding flowers and buds, spacing them about 1 centimeter apart. Feel free to place the flowers, buds, and branches at different heights. This plum blossom design is very flexible, so there's no need to worry too much about perfect placement. Even beginners can create a beautiful result. I'm curious, where would you place this plum blossom branch once it's finished? A living room, a study desk, or maybe as a festive decoration? Let me know in the comments. Once everything is attached, add a 15 centimeter floral stem for support and continue wrapping the remaining stem with floral tape. Let's add another branch to give the arrangement a fuller and more natural look. Continue wrapping the floral tape down the stem until the entire branch is neatly finished. Finally, open up all the flowers and gently shape the branches. Take a moment to adjust the flowers and branches until you're happy with the overall shape. And now our plum blossom branch is complete. It turned out so beautiful and full of life. Thank you so much for crafting with me today. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to save it for later. I'll see you again in the next tutorial.